My name is Harsh Raf. I am a second year student of the Department of Mechanical Engineering enrolled in its B.Tech course. I am from Jaipur. I am a boarder of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2017-2018.
Harsh, why have you mentioned that you are contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games, while we all are already aware that the soapbox of General Secretary Sports and Games is currently in progress?
Sir, there might be many people in the audience who are not aware of this fact. That's why I mentioned it to clarify that the General Secretary Sports and Games soapbox is going on.
I have a follow-up. So basically you are trying to say that the student community of Kharagpur is generally unaware of the fact of the events going around there.
Not make any comments. Please move on to the next question.
Why have not you mentioned LBS Hall of Residence in your introduction since you were a part of LBS Hall?
Sir, the introduction is meant to provide basic information and not complete information. I cannot mention my every department, hall of residence or hometown in my introduction. However, Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence has played an important role, but which I will be mentioning in my statement of purpose.
I have a follow-up on this. Since there is a case of multiple hall of residences, is there any case of multiple departments also?
Yes, sir. In my first year, I was a part of the Industrial Systems Engineering department. However, I secured a department change with a CGPA of 9.04.
Any further question on the introduction? You can proceed with the SOP.
Good players inspire themselves. Great players inspire others. Stemming inspiration from this motto, I have always been enthusiastic and passionate about my involvement in extra-academic activities. Throughout my stay at the institute, participation in these activities have imbibed in me the qualities of discipline, patience, and sportsmanship, and have helped me enhance my management and communication skills. Sports has always been an integral part of my life. I started playing squash at an early age of 11. I represented my school in the Maharaja Jagat Singh tournament and secured the 3rd position. I participated in 10 state level and national level competitions and represented Rajasthan in the under 15 nationals. I was a member of the school football team that participated in the inter-school sports meet and secured the 3rd position. Since then, I have continued to perform exceptionally well in all my sporting endeavors, including here at IIT Kharagpur. From my first year, I have been a member of the Inter-IIT sports team. The efforts and the hard work put in by me and the team paid off this year at the 51st Inter-IIT sports meet, where we secured a bronze medal. I have proven myself to be one of the best players currently on campus by securing the gold medal in the Open IT Sports Tournament for 2 consecutive years. I participated in the Bengal Open Squash Championships held at the Calcutta Racquet Club, which witnessed a participation of over 100 players from all over the nation. I was also a member of the sports team that performed exceptionally well at various intercollegiate sporting competitions, securing a silver medal at Udghosh 2015, a silver medal at Sportech 2017, and clinching the gold medal at Sangram 2016. In my first year itself, I captained the sports team of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. Under my captaincy, we secured the bronze medal in the inter-all squash event. In my second year, I was part of the squash team of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence that secured silver medal in the inter-all event. I was also a member of the football team that stood 4th after a span of 6 years. I am currently Secretary, Sports Subcommittee, Technology Student Gymkhana. During my tenure as secretary, I have efficiently managed a budget of INR 1.2 lakhs. I also took the initiative of organizing a squash ladder tournament to select the inter-IIT squash team. I collaborated with the senior inter-IIT players to conduct a squash workshop to promote squash and increase participation of players in the campus. The workshop witnessed a huge participation of over 160 students in undergraduates, postgraduates as well as research scholars. Other than my involvement in sports and the Gymkhana, I have been involved in a plethora of extracurricular activities. I was a member of the guest session team of the silver winning Rangoli of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I was also a member of the silver winning inter-hall choreography team for my hall. Since my first year, I have been an active member of Team CART, the official automotive research group of our institute. I am a member of the corporate and public relations team and played an instrumental role in securing a sponsorship of INR 5 lakhs. I was a member of the contingent that represented IIT Kharagpur at Formula Bharat 2017, an international competition with over 70 participating teams from all over the world. I was part of the business logic presentation team that secured second position in the event. Despite being involved in a plethora of extracurricular activities, I have been maintaining an excellent academic record. I secured a department change to a Department of Mechanical Engineering with a cumulative grade point average of 9.04. Given by more than 50,000 students, I secured an All India rank 1 in the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies Engineering Aptitude Test 2015. All these activities have added to my knowledge and given me the requisite experience, belief and zeal required to carry out my duties if elected as General Secretary, Sports and Games. It will be an honor for me to serve the institute and work towards uplifting the sports culture here in campus and ensuring that the sports contingent performs to the best of its abilities at the upcoming Inter-IIT Sports Meet. Thank you.
Can you list
Let one panelist ask the question. Let him ask the question first, you can go second.
Congratulations on this wonderful statement of purpose. Can you please highlight us what were the initiatives taken by you in your secretary tenure?
Thank you sir for appreciating my performance here at IIT Kharagpur. As secretary of the squash subcommittee, I took the initiative of organizing the squash ladder tournament to select the inter-IIT squash team. The players were selected through the open IIT participation and were challenge matches were arranged. Other than that, I also took the initiative of organizing the NSO trials to select first judge for National Sports Organization Sports and Games. Other than that, I also took the initiative of providing the facility of swimming pool during the inter-IIT training camp, and also organized the squash workshop and made plethora of infrastructure changes here in the squash court, such as installation of fans, locker rooms and provision of sporting equipment such as mats and skipping ropes to the inter-IIT players.
One second, let Sanket ask the question first and you can answer.
So Harsh, can you list the, can you state... Harsh, I have a follow-up on this. I already started. Harsh, I have a follow-up on this. Since you have listed so many initiatives, then why don't the position of IIT Kharagpur in squares has not improved?
Sir, please refrain from making such comments about our performance at the inter-IIT sports meet. The squash team performed to the best of its abilities, giving their utmost best in each and every match that was played. We were not able to secure the gold medal. However, I assure you that the upcoming inter-IIT sports meet, the squash team will be aiming for a gold medal.
Can you list the major chaos which took place in this year's inter-IIT? And if you are not aware, I would like to highlight the fact that the chaos took place in aquatics. Now please proceed with your answer.
Sir, the travel arrangements for getting the aquatics team back to the IIT Kharagpur were not made sufficiently well. The tickets were in waitlisting, due to which they faced severe issues.
So I have a follow-up. So what would you do if you are elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games? And what actually took place in this mishappening? Please explain in details.
Sir, once the concerned Gymkhana authorities were informed of the situation, proper travel arrangements were made to bring back the members of the aquatics team safely. If elected as General Secretary Sports and Games, I will ensure that proper travel arrangements are made to bring back the aquatics team safely back to IIT Kharagpur.
Manish, you mentioned that.
Ma'am, please correct yourself. My name is Harsh.
Sorry. Harsh, you mentioned about your involvement in Rangoli making. How does that help your candidature?
Ma'am, being part of the guest session team of the silver winning Rangoli of Rajendra Prasad Hall of President, my job was to communicate the theme of the Rangoli to the present judges and the people who are visiting the Rangoli. This helped me improve my communication skills with the judges as well as the people with whom I interacted, which will help me to carry out my duties if elected as General Secretary Sports and Games.
I hope you are aware.
Let him ask the question first.
I hope you are aware that IIT Kanpur has won the general championships for the third time this year. So tell me, what are the extra measures taken by them to ensure this?
Sir, at Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, there is a summer camp organized with an additional lot of sports facilities were provided to them, due to which they were able to perform well at the Inter-IT Sports Meet.
I have a follow-up on this. IIT Kanpur also makes a condition that if you are part of the Inter-IT Sports contingent, you cannot participate in other societies. Do you think such an imposition should be done in IIT Kharagpur as well?
No sir, I do not support that notion of having restrictions put on the inter-IIT players. I cannot comment on the students of IIT Kanpur, but the students here at IIT Kharagpur are very much capable enough of managing the time efficiently and managing their extracurricular involvement, which is evident from the fact that despite being a member of Team Card, being a secretary of the sports subcommittee and having a plethora of extracurricular activities, I was a member of the inter-IIT sports team and have an excellent academic record.
Harsh, why have you mentioned Team Card in your introduction? Harsh,
Yeah.
Harsh, why have you mentioned Team Card in your introduction?
Sir, being an active member of Team Card since my first year, it has helped me imbibe a lot of skills such as team management, time management, leadership and communication skills. Mentoring over 20 juniors in my second year, I efficiently learned how to manage those students and will be working along with the secretaries to manage the respective subcommittees. Other than that, doing various work related to Team Card, I learned how to work efficiently in a team cohesively with a group of people. And to add to that fact, being part of Team Card and a lot of extracurricular activities, I learned how to manage my time efficiently, which will help me in carrying out my duties if elected as General Secretary Sports and Games.
Considering that you are a responsible inter-IT player, could you name the inter-IT mascot this year and the dignitaries who attended the opening ceremony and their achievements?
Sir, the inter-IT mascot this year was Bawa, who was a panda. And the dignitaries who attended the opening ceremony was Mr. Varun Bhati and Mr. Devendra Jhajaria, who were both Paralympians.
I asked for specific achievements of both the dignitaries attending the opening ceremony. Could you please elaborate on that?
Sir, I can list out all of their achievements. I have them written down in my diary. If you want them, I can refer to it right now.
Harsh, if elected as the General Secretary of Sports and Games, what is your vision for hosting Inter-IT here at IIT Kharagpur in 2019? What changes would you like to incorporate to host them efficiently?
Sir, I assure you, if elected as General Secretary Sports and Games, the 54th Inter-IT Sports Meet that will be held at IIT Kharagpur will be the best ever Inter-IT Sports Meet that has ever been organized, with the vision of IIT Kharagpur securing the gold medal in the overall General Championship.
My question was not that. I am asking what changes would you like to incorporate, and the condition is not suitable right now for hosting Inter-IT. So what are the changes that are required to host Inter-IT in 2019? I am talking about infrastructure and other changes that you have. You must have done some groundwork on that. So I am talking about that.
Sir, there are multiple of infrastructure proposals that have been put in the Gymkhana and will be ready by the when the inter-IT sports meet is held here at IIT Kharagpur, such as construction of indoor sports complex, construction of new tennis courts, and the synthetic track as well.
And why don't you contest for the post of VP next year?
Sir, thank you for considering me for the post of Vice President Technology in Gymkhana. However, being involved in sports at a very early age, I believe the experience I have gained by participating in various competitions will have a very positive impact on uplifting the sports culture here in campus. Also, to add to that fact, I wish to work to uplift the sports culture here in campus right now as a third year student by becoming the General Secretary Sports and Games, and will continue to do so in my fourth year as well by being an advisor to the current General Secretary Sports and Games.
One second. We just have one last question and okay, yeah, you guys.
Apart from your participation in inter-IT, did you happen to execute any managerial skills in inter-IT? If so, how?
Ma'am, at the inter-IT sports meet, I was a squash player for the squash team, which itself is a very big managerial post since we are responsible for best performance given by the students. I was part of the team that performed exceptionally well, securing a bronze medal, guiding all other players and providing them with the necessary inspiration required.
Thank you, Harsh.
These are the following 4 proposals which I wish to implement if elected as General Secretary Sports and Games. Proposal number 1. Setting up an alumni network of all graduating inter-IT players and the alumnus of each sport, and the formation of the Student Gymkhana External Grant Fund. Proposal number 2. Hiring of sports interns for each sport from the Sports Authority of India and other national coaching institutes through Memorandum of Understanding. Proposal number 3. To introduce various measures to increase the outreach of sports and the involvement of students, which include organization of a separate introductory seminar and the introduction of a Player of Month award. Proposal number 4 involves the formation of the Technology Sports and Games Council, which will look after all the activities and events related to technology in Gymkhana, which include the posts of content writing, design, web development, and photography and video editing.
Harsh, I see that you have a total of 4 proposals. So can you give me the data as to how many proposals before this have been implemented by the previous General Secretaries?
Sir, the previous proposals that were presented by the previous General Secretary Sports and Games are currently under progress, and quite a lot of few of them have been implemented till date. I'll be mentioning these 4 proposals which I wish to implement if elected as General Secretary Sports and Games, and I can assure you that these will be implemented in the future.
I have a follow-up. To inform you, Harsh, there are total of only 3 proposals that have been implemented till date. So you are coming up with 4 proposals. So how do you expect to implement them all?
Sir, this shows as a candidate for a General Secretary Sports and Games, I feel that I can implement all these 4 proposals, showing my superior qualifications to implement these 4 proposals. I'd like to discuss my first proposal in detail. The aim of the program is to initiate and connect the inter-IIT alumnus to the respective teams and involve them more in the current sporting scene. To act as a point of contact for the alumni interested in contributing towards their respective sports, and to smoothen the process of utilization of funds endowed by the alumnus of various sports. The current scenario here in campus is currently the alumni cell of IIT Kharagpur, which is primarily the point of contact for alumni willing to contribute, considers its funding base as need dependent. Also, the current machinery in place exists through a centralized institute fund, wherein the alumni's contribution is only asked for when it is absolutely necessary. Thus, there is no current means for alumni to contribute towards a cause they care for directly, owing to the cited problems of tax returns and questions of proper utilization. The need of such a network is the current process for contributing and utilizing the funds. Any activity related to the technology in Gymkhana is quite cumbersome. The lack of funds in sport, despite the willingness of alumni to contribute towards the sport, is a major issue. In order to facilitate a greater spirit of bonding among the current students and graduates, the alumni network will cater specifically to all the inter-IT players and the teams. How the implementation will work? It will be The network will be managed and utilized by the funds through one single body, which will be called the Board of Sports Alumni Affairs. The body will consist of a student member nominated by the Executive Council, General Secretary Sports and Games, Vice President, Sports Officer in Charge, chaired by the President Technology Student Gymkhana. The revenue source will be through any voluntary contribution made by the alumnus towards any sport. All the money contributed will be directed to the Dean of Alumni Affairs and will be transferred directly to the Students Gymkhana External Grant Fund. What exactly is the Students Gymkhana External Grant Fund? It is the fund which would include the funds acquired through the alumni donations and will be divided into two categories, the corpus fund and the current fund. The corpus fund will be from two different revenue sources. The revenue source A being which include all student activity related donations whose nature is not specified by the alumni donating. And the revenue source B includes 30% of the money endowed by the alumni towards development of any specific sport. Thus, the corpus fund will be maintained in the Students Gymkhana External Grant Fund and will be used for the development and improvement of sports culture here in campus. The revenue sources for the current fund is as follows. It includes 70% of the money that is endowed by the alumni towards development of any specific sport and includes all the funds acquired which do not fall under the corpus fund category. The current fund can be used by the Students Gymkhana for the expenses of specific sport in which donations have been made and will be utilized in purchase of any equipment or cater to the other requirement pertaining to the respective sport.
We can move on to the questions.
Harsh, I have a question. The objective of the proposal, with the similar objective, I have heard that one of the candidates approached the President Gymkhana and he absolutely rejected that proposal. So how can you guarantee that this proposal will be accepted?
Sir, my proposal regarding the alumni network and funding is different from the candidate who has also presented this proposal. I'll be contacting the President Technology Gymkhana with a different way of execution and I'm sure he will accept my proposal as well.
I have a follow-up on this. He explained each and every aspect of his proposal. So, in fact, I think better than your proposal. So, do you think that you will be able to convince the President Gymkhana in accepting the proposal?
Considering that the list of people consulted does not have the President Gymkhana on it.
Harsh, how many people have you contacted for this proposal?
One second, let him answer the question. And
The question is not if he's contacted a lot of people, but if he has contacted the President Gymkhana or not.
Sir, I must question the execution of this proposal mentioned by the opponent candidate since it was rejected by the President Technology Gymkhana. You mentioned it being a better proposal than me, still it being rejected. However, my proposal has really very positive feedback from all the people that I've consulted, which include Mr. Anirban Roy from the Office of Alumni Affairs, Mr. Somen Mandal, Mr. Atal Ashutosh Agarwal, Mr. Ashutosh Ranka. This proposal has already put forward in IIT Kanpur and is currently implemented right now.
And none of them will approve the proposal. For your information, none of them will approve the proposal.
Let's move on
The
to the next
President of
question.
Gymkhana will approve the proposal.
Let's move on to the next question.
Harsh, your proposal of this, have you contacted anyone to the alumni and has anyone agreed to this?
Yes, sir. I received a very positive feedback from the all alumni that I contacted regarding this proposal. They were very willing to donate any specific money to their respective sports. Some specific names that I contacted were Mr. Samar Vikram Singh Chandel, Mr. Anchit Singh, Mr. Praneeth Baringati, Mr. Samay Jain, Mr. Utkarsh Lohia, Mr. Vinil Raja Agidi, Mr. Abhishek Malhotra, and Mr. Shinesh Balasubramaniam, along with Mr. Vinayak Bazar. And if the list goes on, however, the proposal has been very positively received by all the alumni.
Has anyone contributed, agreed to contribute, like anything has done till now?
Sir, each and every alumni that to whom I have spoken are very positive and are willing to contribute any specific amount that they wish.
Harsh,
This is the last question.
Harsh, considering that a considerable amount from the sports and games budget is already left behind, don't you think it would be better to mobilize that fund and not having, as in going after the alumni for funding in the institute when the institute has funds for itself and for the activities that are...
Sir, if you would have paid close attention to the proposal that I mentioned, I will not be contacting the respective alumni or asking them for donation. It will be a purely voluntary contribution. They will be contributing towards the Gymkhana as per their requirement through the web portal that I will be designing through the sports website.
Harsh, thank you for such wonderful statement of
I have a follow-up. If you are not contacting them, then why did you contact them now in order to see that if they could contribute or not? You're not asking for contribution, but you're expecting contribution when you are in no need of it.
Sir, this proposal is meant to get voluntarily contribution from all the alumni. I never mentioned the fact that, that we require money and will you be able to fund us. It was their willing contribution and they were voluntarily helping us out to develop the sports culture here in campus. It will be done entirely by them. We will not be asking them for money, but only providing them with the information that such a portal exists for the development of sports culture here in campus.